Okay, brother. If someone is named Aisha, what your community should do?
There is no problem with naming the name of Aisha. There isn't. We don't have a problem with the name, dear brother. We have a problem with the character.
Okay. Yeah, there is a news. Somebody says that's a rumor. Somebody says that's real, but it seems realistic because it was a live program that name with Aisha, Umar, and others were directly killed down in Iraq. What will you say about them? You must have words
You
for
say
them.
that you say that Shia has killed Aisha and Hafsa just because of names. This is not untrue, dear brother. This is not what we do. This is very funny because this is exactly what the terrorists in ISIS in Iraq used to do to us. Now they're trying to turn it on us. Look at the humorous claim here. It is us who used to get killed because of our names. Ali, Hassan, Hussein. Throughout history, dear brother, I can bring you tons of examples through history. Because of the name Ali, he was killed. Because of the name Hussein, he was killed. Because of the name of Hassan, he was killed. Now they want to turn it to us that any person whose name is Aisha, or her name is Aisha, or his name is Umar, Abu Bakr, for example, although it's a kunya, Uthman, he gets killed.
Brother,
this is untrue, brother. Brother, just to let you know, we have an individual here. He's an Iraqi. He's a Shia, and his grandfathers are Shia also. His name is Umar, and he's my colleague in work. Umar, we don't have a problem with the name, dear brother. We don't have a problem with these things. This is the lies. Look, you're filled with the lies that they've told you about the Shia. You're filled with them.
Okay, brother. What can I say? If name is not a problem, then have you ever heard of a cake with name written Aisha and Aisha go to hell and something like that on a cake?
Sorry, can you repeat what you said? Sorry.
A cake named Aisha go to hell, and this cake was the picture of the cake was made viral.
Cake, okay.
I think, yeah, cake.
Yeah. What's the problem?
I think you know about the cake.
Yeah, I know about the cake. Yes.
Yes. What you will tell about this?
What is the issue with this? Do you have evidence that it is haram to write a cake and to put on a cake?
No, not. Yeah, that is haram. But
can you tell me how is it haram? What's the evidence from the Quran and Sunnah that it is haram to write a cake, to make a cake saying Aisha is in hell?
Okay, no, I am not going to cake, but I am going to write down someone's name and telling him to go to hell.
What's the issue with this? If I were to write, if I were to make a leaflet and I write Abu Lahab is in hell, is that haram?
Okay, so do you?
If I make a cake and I write Abu Lahab is in hell, would that be haram?
I don't know about the cake, but would you support that a wife of anyhow is bad, she's good, she's bad, she's the worst, but he's best, he's good, he's worst, anything, but she is a wife of our Prophet. So is her name can be written in a cake, letting
brother, do you respect the wives of the Prophet Noah and Lot? They are the wives of the Prophet.
All of them.
You respect the wives of Noah and Lot, dear brother?
Yeah, all of them, brother.
Are you aware that the Quran is not, unfortunately, not with me right now. Are you aware that the Quran says that the wife of Noah and Lot are in hell?
Yeah, I don't know, but
you still respect them?
But to my little knowledge, I know that nobody can say anyone related to a holy man directly go to hell. You don't know that Aisha is really in hell or others are really in hell, isn't it?
No, I do know, dear brother. I do know. Alhamdulillah, I do know. I've taken my narrations from the progeny of holy prophets, and they've clearly told me that Aisha is now in hell for the actions and crimes that she has committed. Dear brother, your your view has become clear, and inshallah I will respond to you. There's many callers on the line. I'd like to take other callers, inshallah. Thank you very much for your call, Brother Fahim. If there's a caller on the line, let's take one last caller if possible. Just as a quick note, inshallah, clearly that the brother isn't aware of the basic fundamentals of Islam and let's say the basic fundamentals of Quran, the knowledge of the Quran. If he had read the Quran, he would not have said such things. He says that we have to respect all the wives of the prophets. Well, do we respect the wives of Prophet Noah and Lot? No, we do not, of course. The Quran says that they are in hell, 𝗕𝗘𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗘, that they are disbelievers, but they are wives of the Holy Prophet. So what do we do now? What do we do? Do we respect them because they are wives of the Holy Prophet? I like with Aisha and Hafsa. مَا كُنْتُ بِدْعًا مِنَ الرُّسُلِ. I am not different than the other prophets. The wife of Prophet Noah was bad, and she is in hell. There is not an issue if we say that the wife of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, specifically Aisha and Hafsa, for example, whom are the heads, are disbelievers and are in hell. What is the issue with this? It is the mantiq of the Quran, and I challenge anyone to come and debate me on this matter. Let them come and debate me upon Aisha. Let them come and let's have a discuss. Forget debating, leave debating put aside, because no one wants to debate now. Let's just have an honest discussion. Let's just see, is Aisha an enemy of God or a righteous woman that we should love and follow? Is Aisha an enemy of God whom we should disassociate from? Or is she a righteous woman whom we should all follow? Let's have that discussion under that title. And I welcome whoever to come and call on the show, reach out to the Rafida email, call for a debate or a discussion. I am more than happy to take this discussion or debate.
بالحسن بالحسين بالأئمة الأطهار